Man, we're at the Power Player Party. The Houston Luxury Magazine Power Player Party is a great time. Some beautiful people in the house tonight. What's up, man? What? Oh, wow, it's amazing.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jennifer Cope with Houston Magazine, and I just wanted to give a quick toast to say thank you all for coming tonight. I especially want to thank our power players that are actually magazine. We have so many of those faces here today, so make sure to give them a high five and a toast and say thank you for being a part of the magazine. Molly Johnson is my partner in crime. We have some other staff members here with Houston Magazine. Wanted to thank, of course, Zanti for hosting us tonight. Madam Switches of choice for me tonight. Thank you all for being here.